We've all heard about bail and bail bonds, whether it's in the news, movies, or neighborhood gossip. Bail bonds take on a different tone. However, when a family member calls you from the county jail in the middle of the night with a request to bail them out, you want to help your family member or friend get out of jail as quickly as possible, but how? How does bail work, and what do you do if you can't afford the bail? Bail is a financial arrangement that allows someone to post collateral in exchange for someone's release from jail. We'll refer to the jailed individual as the defendant. In exchange for the defendant's release, the party who posts bail, which may be the defendant, a family member, friend, or bail bond agency, guarantees that the defendant will appear in court anytime they are summoned for their case. This includes the initial pleading, subsequent hearings, and any other mandated appearances. The principle behind bail is simple. As long as the defendant appears in court, the party who posts bail will get their money back. If the defendant tries to skip town and make a run for it, the court will keep the bail money. As bail is often quite expensive, this provides a lot of incentive for all interested parties to ensure that the defendant shows up in court. While the defendant is free to pay their own bail, most people can't afford to do this. Some lucky defendants may have a family member or friend with enough cash or valuable assets to post bail on their behalf, but most people aren't so fortunate. Bail amounts are often quite substantial, so it's difficult for the average person to post bail on their own. To solve this predicament, most people turn to a bail agent or bail bondsman for assistance. Once the collateral is in place and the bail bond is posted, the defendant should be released from jail immediately. After that, what happens next depends on the defendant's actions. As long as the defendant appears in court as promised, the bail bond will be dissolved at the conclusion of the case. All collateral will be returned minus the 10% fee for the bail bond agency's profit. However, if the defendant fails to appear in court, the bail bond is forfeited, and the court will seek the remaining 90% of the bail from the bail bond agency. Hire a good criminal defense attorney. As we have explained several times, working with an experienced criminal defense attorney can make all of the difference. Having someone on your side that thoroughly understands Arizona criminal law may help reduce the amount of bail money required to release you from jail, or, in a best-case scenario for the defendant, have the charges completely dropped. Our criminal defense team at Jackson White has a proven record of improving the future of our clients and taking control of these difficult situations. Call the Jackson White Criminal Law Team at 480-745-1639 to discuss your case today.